Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the 2022 model Volkswagen Tiguan R line that is fresh in stock and it does come complemented in the modernised Metallic Reflex Silver paintwork. It does house your 2-litre TDI engine, meaning it's the ideal spacious upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles. Alongside your efficient auto transmission, it does produce a whopping 200 brake horsepower, alongside enhanced visibility with your LED daytime and running headlights. You do also have added protection with your parking sensors and power folding heated door mirrors. You do have a 20-inch Mazzano alloys alongside a panoramic sunroof, letting in plenty of air circulation and light exposure in the summer. You do even have an electronic tailgate release, exposing more than enough boot capacity to accommodate all your travel needs and day-to-day items. Step into a world of luxury with your part leather trim, with access to your pull-down armrest, integrated cup holders, and even your central climate vents, ideal on those longer trips. Step into your front, you will find your full leather multifunctional steering wheel for added driver convenience and style, with access to your digital cockpit pro and a central touch display screen. You do have plenty of storage in your central console, dividing your two very stylish embroidered front seats. For seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel that does even come with a heated function for the winter, alongside your options to easily navigate around your cockpit display with all your vital driving information and even your adaptive cruise to assist out on the open road. You do have your built-in satellite navigation, which can be displayed on your cockpit or central touch display as well. This is ideal for those who love to explore or find themselves in unfamiliar areas. Of course, you do have your app connect with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. This will allow you to make hands-free calls or listen to your own preferred audio, alongside a wide selection of radio stations to keep you fully entertained. You do also have your on-screen display of all your vital driving information, and once you do flick across, you do even have your user profile selection alongside your on-screen display of your 3-zone climate, ensuring you can have a desired temperature throughout the vehicle. And as a 4Motion vehicle, you do have enhanced performance to ensure you are prepared on any terrain, including your off-road and snow option, or even your eco for more efficiency overall. This is followed just below by your handy touch buttons for your climate control, including your 2 front heated seats to keep you toasty warm in the winter. You can easily keep your devices fully charged with your various power outlets, alongside your central drive mode selection, hidden cup holders and plenty of storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.